Does your car's AC smell like sweaty gym socks? It's likely coming from mold, moisture, or even old spilled milk that is hidden deep inside the AC system. But don't worry, you can fix it at home for under $100, whereas a workshop visit might cost you 6 times more. This is where I come in. In this video, I'll show you why your Toyota's cabin smells bad and how to fix it with 7 easy DIY methods. Keep watching, because a bonus tip at the end is my personal experience, which keeps my cabin smelling awesome every day. First, why does your Toyota's AC smell so bad? If you turn on your car's AC and get hit with a nasty smell, like sweaty socks or a wet towel left in a bag, that's not normal, and there's a reason it's happening. Here's what's going on. Your car's air conditioning makes cold air by using a system that creates something called condensation. That's just a fancy word for water droplets. Just like how a cold soda can sweat on a hot day, if that water doesn't drain out properly, it sits inside the AC system and becomes the perfect place for mold and bacteria to grow. That's where the bad smell comes from. Now, if your cabin air filter, the part that filters the air before it blows into your car, is dirty, the problem gets worse. The filter collects dust, dirt, and even more moisture. Over time, it becomes a stinky mess full of tiny germs. Here's what different smells might mean. Musty smell, probably mold growing in your AC system. Rotten egg, could be a refrigerant leak. That's serious and needs fixing right away. Fishy smell, might be burnt wiring or something electrical going bad. Sour sock smell, most likely a dirty air filter or trapped moisture. Or if you notice a sweet smell inside your car, it means there's a coolant leak, and that might be a sign of a serious engine problem. To stop all this from happening, here are 6 DIY ways to get rid of that lousy car AC smell. Step 1. Clear the drain hose. One of the biggest reasons your Toyota's AC smells like a swamp is a clogged drain hose. This little tube's job is to let water escape from your AC system. That's the same water you sometimes see dripping under your car on a hot day. It's totally normal, unless the water stops draining. When that hose gets blocked, all the water stays trapped inside. And when water just sits there, it turns into a stinky mold and bacteria party. Here's how you can check and clear it. Park safely and turn off the engine. Make sure your car is cool and on level ground. Find the AC drain hose. Open the front passenger door. Slide the seat back and look under the dashboard near the passenger footwell. That's the floor area in front of the seat. You'll see a soft rubber tube, about the width of your finger, sticking out near the back of the dashboard, close to where it meets the car's firewall, the wall between the engine and cabin. Place a cup or towel under the hose. Gently pull the hose out and watch for water. If it's clogged, you might get a splash. Check for blockage. Use a long plastic zip tie, a small flexible wire, or even a pipe cleaner. Slowly push it up into the hose to loosen any gunk or debris. Don't use anything sharp. You don't want to poke a hole in the hose. Let it drain. Once it's clear, water should drip out freely. You might even hear a gurgle sound when the water starts moving again. Put the hose back in place. Make sure it fits snugly where it was. Doing this once a year, especially after summer, can help keep your car's AC fresh and stink-free. Step 2. Sanitize your Toyota's AC system. If your Toyota still smells funky even after checking the drain hose, it's time to go deeper and sanitize the whole AC system. That means cleaning the inside of the vents where the mold and bacteria hide. Luckily, there's an easy way to do this using a special AC foam cleaner, like Toyota's own PowerFoam HVAC Refresher Kit or any good quality AC duct cleaner spray. Here's how to do it. Get the right spray. Look for an AC duct cleaner that comes in a foaming aerosol can. These sprays expand inside the vents and break down all the gunk. Spray into the vents. Turn off your car. Then, spray the foam directly into all the AC vents inside the cabin, especially the dashboard vents. Keep spraying until you see foam filling the vent openings. Inject foam into the drain hose. Remember the drain hose under the passenger side? Put a little foam into that hose too. This helps clean the other side of the AC system, the evaporator core. Let it sit. Give the foam at least 30 minutes to soak in and do its job. It'll break down all the mold, bacteria, and dirt inside the system. Park in the sun. While the foam is soaking, let your car sit in direct sunlight. The heat helps speed things up and dry out the moisture. Run the AC. After 30 minutes, start your car and blast the AC at full speed for 5 minutes. This dries out the system and pushes out any leftover cleaner. Smell test time. Stick your nose near the vents. If the bad smell is gone, great job. If it's still there, don't worry. Just repeat the process one more time. This step really gets to the heart of the smell. If you're enjoying this video, consider watching Best and Worst Toyotas to Buy in 2025, as these are the perfect sweet spots of affordability and features. Step 3. Disinfect every 6 months. Want to keep that fresh, clean smell in your Toyota's AC all year long? Then, here's a simple trick. Disinfect your HVAC system every 6 months, even if it doesn't smell bad yet. You can use any AC disinfectant spray made for cars. These sprays kill germs and bacteria before they turn into stinky mold. Here's how to do it the right way. Start your Toyota's engine and turn on the AC. Set the temperature to cold and turn the fan on full blast. Set the air to recirculate. This makes sure the air goes in a loop inside the car instead of pulling in air from outside. Spray the disinfectant. Aim the spray into the passenger footwell area, just under the dashboard. Spray for about 30 seconds. The AC system will pull it in and spread it through the vents. Now switch to heat. Change the temperature to hot and do the same thing. Spray into the footwell for another 30 seconds. This step disinfects the heating side of the system too. Doing this every 6 months helps stop bad smells before they start. Simple, cheap, and super effective. Step 4. Replace your cabin air filter once annually. Here's a big one. Change your cabin air filter. It's a small part, but it makes a huge difference in how your Toyota smells and how clean the air feels inside. The cabin air filter catches dust, dirt, pollen, and even tiny bugs before they blow through your vents. Over time, all that stuff builds up, and that can lead to nasty smells or weak airflow. You should replace it at least once a year. For most Toyotas, the cabin air filter is super easy to get to. Just open the glove box. Gently push the sides inward to let the glove box drop down. Behind it, you'll see a little door. Open it to reveal the cabin air filter tray. Slide the old filter out. If it's brown, dusty, or covered in leaves, it's time to toss it. Pop in a new one and close everything back up. It's quick, it's cheap, and it helps your AC stay fresh and work better. Don't skip this step. Step 5. Let the fan dry things out. Even if your AC smells fine now, there's a smart trick to keep it that way. Turn on the fan every now and then, but leave the AC and heat off. Here's what to do. Start your Toyota, set the fan to high speed, and make sure both the AC and heater are off. Then, drive around for about a mile. Why? Because this lets the inside of the AC system dry out. No moisture equals no mold equals no smell. Doing this once a week, especially after using the AC, helps keep the whole system fresh and dry. Step 6. Use a good air purifier or deodorizer. Still getting strange smells inside the car, like food, gym clothes, or pets? A high-quality car air purifier can help with that. You can find small plug-in purifiers that fit right into your Toyota's 12-volt outlet, the same place where you'd charge your phone. These little devices use ionizers and special filters to clean the air and remove bad smells. If you just want a boost of freshness, a good deodorizer or gel air freshener works great too. Just don't overdo it. Your car should smell clean, not like a perfume store. Now, here is a bonus trick I've been using for years, and it really works. Here's a trick I've been using for years, and it really works. When you're about a mile away from your destination, switch off the AC, but keep the fan running. Why? because it gives your Toyota's AC system a chance to dry itself out before you shut off the engine. No leftover moisture means no place for mold or bacteria to grow, and that means no stinky smells the next time you start your car. I started doing this after dealing with a constant old locker room smell in my Camry. I tried everything: cleaners, filters, sprays. Nothing worked long term. But once I began turning off the AC early and letting the fan blow dry air through the vents, the smell never came back. It's simple, it's free, and it's one of the smartest habits you can build for keeping your AC fresh. Try it once, you'll notice the difference. Now, if you find this video helpful, then be sure to watch this video where I've broken down 13 habits to make your Toyota last over 500k miles without major repairs.